All right, Polaris fans. I'm going to be installing in the Polaris QuickTap battery post for my 2017 Polaris Sportsman 450. Um, Basically, just makes it easier to access the battery if you ever have to jump the machine. Um, it connects directly to your bus bar. Then installs right inside the storage unit in the front of the machine. It's part number 2882110. I think the kit says it's for the Sportsman 570. No reason it shouldn't work on the 452. I'm installing it so if I'm ever out in the trail by myself, I can just hook up a jumper cables and a power jumper, and I could jump it myself if I had to, or if I just have to have it get done from anybody. Because getting to the battery on these machines obviously is not the easiest thing. This is what comes in the package. I'm sure you creative people out there can make these yourself if you had to. The whole package I think cost me $54, which I thought was kind of pricey for what you get, but at least I know it's going to fit the correct way. But I'm sure people can craft these things themselves if they needed to. But basically, you got your positive, your negative, and I'll take pictures once it's all hooked up to the machine, and exactly where I installed it and stuff like that. I didn't see many videos out there on this, and I was just really interested to see how this all lined up and stuff like that. All right, I'll be back with pictures once I have it installed. If you have any questions, certainly comment below.